Cala Santanyi is a small and relatively unspoiled holiday resort which is located about 10 kilometers southwest of the larger holiday resort Cala d'Or. Cala Santanyi has a nice and large sand beach which is located deep inside a rocky bay. The beach is very similar to the beaches in Cala d'Or, but the beach in Cala Santanyi is more spacious. It is about 130 meters long and 80 meters wide. The sand is fine-grained, whereas the water is very clear and almost always calm. The beach offers all the usual facilities, such as sun lounges, sunshades, showers and toilets. During the high season, the beach is supervised by a lifeguard.
Sfârșit de octombrie, bre.
Behind the beach, there is a large parking space for visitors arriving by car. This is also where the bus from Cala d'Or stops. There is usually plenty of room to play at the beach. The water is relatively shallow and there are hardly any waves, so in general the beach is very child-friendly. Water bikes can be rented at the beach. Furthermore, the snorkeling conditions along the rocks are good and you will be able to see a lot of beautiful fish. There are many submerged caves and holes in the area. The diving center in the town arranges trips to many of these spots. Behind the beach there are a few restaurants and bars. There is also a small supermarket nearby where you can buy refreshments. There are also some large hotels and private holiday apartments in Cala Santanyi. It is recommended to rent a car and visit some of the many beautiful beaches, small towns and nature reserves in the area of Cala Santanyi.
The sea is very angry. Boom!